Hey there, science fans! Did you know your body is home to trillions of microscopic organisms? These tiny microbes living mainly in your gut play a massive role in keeping you healthy. We're talking about a bustling community of bacteria, fungi, and even viruses, all coexisting peacefully within you. It's like a hidden city, a microscopic metropolis working tirelessly to keep your body running in tip-top shape. This incredible ecosystem, known as the gut microbiome, weighs about as much as a small apple. So, buckle up, science fans, as we dive deep into the fascinating world of the gut microbiome. Okay, picture this. A bustling metropolis teeming with life, a community so diverse it puts even the busiest cities to shame. Now shrink that image down to a microscopic level and you've got yourself the gut microbiome. It's like a miniature ecosystem thriving inside your digestive system. We're talking billions, even trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms, all living together in a delicate balance. Think of it like a rainforest, where each organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the entire ecosystem. Now I know what you're thinking. Bacteria? In my gut? Isn't that a bad thing? Well, not all bacteria are created equal. In fact, many of these microscopic residents are actually beneficial, like little helpers working tirelessly behind the scenes. These friendly bacteria, often called probiotics, help keep the peace by crowding out harmful bacteria that can make you sick. They're like the guardians of your gut, ensuring everything runs smoothly. These amazing microbes are involved in so many crucial processes within your body. They help break down food, produce essential vitamins, support your immune system, and even influence your brain function. It's like a complex symphony of interactions happening right inside you, and the gut microbiome is the conductor, making sure everything is in harmony. And just like a symphony needs all its instruments to create beautiful music, a healthy gut microbiome needs a diverse range of microbes to function at its best. So, let's keep exploring this fascinating frontier of science, shall we? Because when it comes to the gut microbiome, there's always more to discover. Alright, science enthusiasts, let's talk about digestion. Now we all know that our digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food we eat, extracting nutrients, and eliminating waste. But what you might not realize is that we have a whole team of microscopic helpers working hard behind the scenes to make it all happen. That's right, our gut bacteria are like miniature chefs, tirelessly working to ensure we get the most out of our meals. You see, our bodies can't digest certain types of fiber on their own. That's where our gut bacteria come in, breaking down these complex carbohydrates into simpler compounds that our bodies can actually use for energy. It's like having a personal team of culinary experts working around the clock. But that's not all. These incredible microbes also produce essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. For example, did you know that gut bacteria are a major producer of vitamin K? That's right, the very same vitamin that's crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Amazing, right? And then there are short-chain fatty acids, another group of vital nutrients produced by our gut bacteria. These little powerhouses provide energy to our gut cells, help regulate our metabolism, and even play a role in reducing inflammation. Talk about multi-talented microbes. But here's the thing. The efficiency of this entire digestive process, this incredible collaboration between our bodies and our gut bacteria, depends on the health and diversity of our microbiome. If we don't have enough of the right kinds of bacteria, our digestion can suffer, leading to all sorts of digestive woes. That's why it's so important to nourish our gut bacteria with the foods they need to thrive. So, next time you sit down to a meal, remember those trillions of tiny helpers working hard in your gut. Chapter 3. The Gut and Immune Function, an Unbreakable Bond. Hold on to your lab coats, science fans, because we're about to uncover the incredible connection between your gut and your immune system. Now you might think of your immune system as a fortress protecting your body from invaders, and you'd be right. But what you might not know is that a whopping 70% of your immune system actually resides in your gut. That's right, your gut is like the front line of defense, a bustling hub of immune activity. And guess who plays a starring role in keeping this system strong and vigilant? You got it, our tiny but mighty gut microbiome. Think of your gut bacteria as the trainers of your immune system. They're constantly interacting with your immune cells, teaching them how to distinguish between harmless substances and harmful invaders. It's like a microscopic boot camp, preparing your immune system to fight off any potential threats. These friendly bacteria produce special compounds that help regulate the activity of your immune cells, ensuring they're ready for action but not overreacting. which can lead to inflammation and autoimmune disorders. And when this balance is disrupted, our health can suffer. So, how do we keep this crucial partnership strong? You guessed it, by taking care of our gut microbiome. Chapter 4. The Gut-Brain Connection. It's all in your head and your gut. Get ready for a mind-blowing revelation, science buffs, because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of the gut-brain connection. That's right, your gut and your brain are in constant communication, engaged in a lively conversation that influences everything from your mood and emotions to your cognitive function. It's like they have their own dedicated hotline, a superhighway of information exchange known as the gut-brain axis. And guess who plays a starring role in this intricate communication network? You got it, our amazing gut microbiome. You see, our gut bacteria are incredibly chatty characters, producing a wide range of signaling molecules that can influence our brain function. These molecules, including neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, can travel up to the brain via the vagus nerve, a major highway connecting our gut and our brain. Now, if you've ever experienced that gut feeling or felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous, you've experienced the gut-brain connection in action. It's a powerful reminder that our gut and our brain are intricately linked, and our gut microbiome plays a crucial role in this connection. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Research suggests that the gut microbiome may actually influence our mood, our behavior, and even our risk of developing mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. By nourishing our gut bacteria with a healthy diet, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, we can support a healthy gut-brain connection and promote a happier, healthier mind. Chapter 5. Supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Feed your microbes. Alright, science aficionados, now that we've explored the incredible world of the gut microbiome and its impact on our health, you're probably wondering, how can I support a thriving community of beneficial bacteria in my gut? Well, you're in luck because it's easier than you might think. It all comes down to making a few simple lifestyle choices that can have a big impact on your gut health. First and foremost, let's talk about food. Remember, our gut bacteria are like tiny gardeners, and our gut is their garden. If we want a thriving garden, we need to provide our little helpers with the right nutrients to flourish. And what do they love most? You guessed it, fiber. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds act like fertilizer for our beneficial bacteria, providing them with the fuel they need to grow and multiply. So make sure to load up on these gut-healthy goodies at every meal. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate, as different colored fruits and vegetables contain different types of fiber and antioxidants that can benefit different strains of bacteria. Next up, let's talk about fermented foods. These tangy treats are teeming with probiotics, those live beneficial bacteria that can give your gut microbiome a helpful boost. Think yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. Incorporating a variety of fermented foods into your diet can introduce new and diverse strains of bacteria into your gut, like adding new plants to your garden to enhance its biodiversity. Now let's talk about hydration. Just like plants need water to thrive, so too does our gut microbiome. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep things moving along smoothly in our digestive tract and supports the growth of beneficial bacteria. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. The right amount varies depending on your activity level, climate, and personal needs. Adding a squeeze of lemon or lime can give your water a refreshing twist. And finally, let's talk about antibiotics. Antibiotics are incredibly important for fighting off bacterial infections, but they can also wreak havoc on our gut microbiome. So, it's important to use antibiotics only when absolutely necessary and to talk to your doctor about ways to minimize their impact on your gut health. Your microbe metropolis awaits. So there you have it, science fans, the incredible world of the gut microbiome. We've explored the bustling community of microbes that call our gut home, and we've learned just how crucial they are for our overall health and well-being. From digestion to immunity, mood to cognitive function, our gut microbiome plays a vital role in keeping our bodies and minds functioning at their best. By making gut-healthy choices like eating a diverse diet rich in fiber and fermented foods, staying hydrated and using antibiotics wisely, you can cultivate a thriving community of beneficial bacteria that will reward you with a lifetime of good health. So, embrace your inner scientist, explore the fascinating world within, and nourish your gut microbiome for a healthier, happier you. Subscribe for more science-backed health insights.